Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken at home. First, select a whole chicken, ideally around 3 to 4 pounds. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Then, season the chicken generously, both inside and out, with salt, pepper, and your preferred herbs. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Now, let's get roasting. Preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your seasoned chicken on a rack within a roasting pan, ensuring it's breast side up. This allows for even air circulation and browning. Roast it for about 60 to 75 minutes, or until it reaches a beautiful golden brown color and the skin is perfectly crisp. To ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked and safe, use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the thigh, making sure not to touch the bone. The ideal internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite incredibly tender. Finally, it's time to carve and enjoy your delicious homemade chicken. Use a sharp carving knife to carefully separate the legs and wings. Then, slice the breast meat into even pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch thick. Arrange your beautifully roasted chicken on a platter and serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy your perfectly cooked meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.